Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful people. Thank you all so much for subscribing. I mean, that was just the first video introducing this channel and you all took out your time to subscribe. I am overwhelmed. Thank you guys so much. I am really grateful. But like I promised you before, we're going to monetize this channel in 3 weeks, and that is what we are going to do. So stay tuned, and you can also go to the comment section and make sure you connect with everyone right there so that we can move ahead faster. All right, congratulations to all of you because you're getting monetized in the next 3 weeks if you follow up with everything I'm going to show you on this channel. Now, for you to be able to make your channel stand out on YouTube, you need to customize your channel. So this video today, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your channel to maximize views and earnings on your channel. So if you do these steps that I'm going to show you today, it's going to help your channel to pull out there to a lot of people, or for YouTube algorithm to understand exactly what your channel is about so that it can actually push your channel to the people who are looking out for you. Now, without taking much of your time, let's go right to your YouTube studio and customize your channel in the right way. Now, before we get into customizing your YouTube channel, I want you to get ready with these things. You need a banner, you need the links to your social media platforms like your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, and any other social media platform that you have. Just copy the links and keep them safe. And also, I want you to prepare a description for your channel. These things are very important for the customization of your channel. When you're ready with that, let's go to the YouTube studio right now. To go to your YouTube studio, all what you have to do is to come right here to the top right hand side and click right here. Then you go below and click on YouTube studio, just like so. On your YouTube studio, navigate to the left hand side of your screen where you see your YouTube channel. Scroll below there and you're going to see customization. Where you see customization, click on customization and you would see your profile and also the home tab. Now right here where you see banner image, just come right to where you see upload. You click on upload and then you upload the banner you want to use. Remember that the banner of your channel is what is going to attract more people to your channel. So you want to be very creative with designing the banner of your channel. It's going to stand out even if they are watching it on TV, on the phone, on the tablet. These are the 3 things you need to consider when you are designing the banner of your YouTube channel. All right, if you want to know how to design your banner on your own, just go to the comment section and drop it right there, and I will show you how you can actually use the free version of Canva to create a banner or create whatever you want to create and design for yourself. All right, so right here what you have to do is to click on that upload, and then you upload your banner just like so. All right, and one thing I want you to know is it's going to give you 3 different formats: how it will be visible on TV, how it will be visible on the desktop, and also how it will be visible on your device, on your mobile device. All right, so what you have to do with your design is you make sure you design it in such a way that whatever device someone is using to view your banner, it will be very appealing. All right, just like so. And when you're comfortable, you leave it at that, just like what you're seeing right here. All right, and you can also change it and you can remove it. Right here for the picture you need, I wouldn't want us to change this, so let's just leave it like that. All right, our wealth strategy. And below here, we have the name of the channel, which is Wealth Strategy. We have the handle right here. We also have right here the description. Remember, I told you to prepare a description. So what you do is to paste your description right here. This is you actually describing what your channel is all about. Is it about making money online? Is it about movies? Is it about healthcare? Whatever niche you are on, just make sure you take your time and create a good description for your channel, because that is also what will pull people to your channel, and that is what is going to remind the algorithm of YouTube that these are the audience you are looking for. Maybe you're looking for people who are looking for jobs online, or you're looking for people who want to watch movie. The algorithm of YouTube will push your video to them depending on what you describe right here. If you're facing difficulties describing your channel, you can go to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT help you on the description. All right. So when you're done with that, you can pull below. Right here, you can change the language. Okay, you can click on language and then you change the language. There are a lot of languages right here that you can change. Just search for whatever language you want and you also write the description in that language. Now below here you can add your channel links. This right here is actually your channel URL. So this is what you can copy and share to people. You can just click right here on copy, and right here you can add your links. Okay, you can add TikTok just like so. Let's just add the links right here so you will know how to do it. So right here you can put the channel, and then right here you put the URL just like so, TikTok, and here's the link. When you're done, you can click on add link right here. Write Facebook just like so, and right here you put the URL of Facebook, your channel link. All right. So you can also add it right here. You can put your Instagram handle just like so. So whatever social media platform you have, just go there and copy your channel link. You click right here on add, and then you add the channel you want to add. So when you're done with adding your links, you can scroll below here and then you type in your email. So just type in your email just like so, and below here is the video watermark. Now, this watermark is very important because it will remind the people that are watching your channel or the video on your channel that they have to subscribe to your channel. It's always at the bottom right hand side of your video. You'll just see something popping up right there, subscribe now or something like that. So just like so, you click right here on upload, and then you upload a watermark right here. So when you're done with all this, come right here to the top right hand side where you see view channel, cancel, publish, and you click on publish. This is very important because if you do not click on publish, then all the work you've done is in vain. Now back right here to the top where you see profile and home page, you can click on the home page right here. We have a home tab, we have layout, we have for you, we have videos and the rest. And this would only be updated when we have a video on our channel. But as for now, we have no video, so we can't set our for you page, we can't set a playlist, we can't do nothing there. But I'm going to make another video or create another video when we have videos on this channel to show you how you can do that. All right. Now, when you are done with setting up your customization, the next thing you have to do is to come right here to the bottom left hand side where you see settings, and you click on settings right there just like so. Now right here on settings you will see general, channel, upload default, permission, community moderation, and right here on general we have default unit. We have the different ways in which you can earn or get paid right here. You can just see them through, but I prefer US dollars, so we leave it at that. Below here where you see channel, if you click on your channel right here, it's going to bring out basic info, advanced settings, and future eligibility. All right, so right here on basic info we have country of residence. I'm creating this in Nigeria, so just click right here, search for your country, and then below here you have to type in the keywords of your channel. This is very important, guys. Just follow this video carefully and do not miss out on anything. Your keywords right here is very important, so make sure you search for keywords that relate to the kind of content that you'll be creating on your channel. Remember, this is wealth strategy, so we're going to put right here wealth strategy as a keyword, and it's not a hashtag. Before, I used to be confused between the keywords and the hashtag. I used to mix them, but this is different. Just search for keywords and type it in like this: wealth strategy, make money online. You can also type in something like launch to wealth or make money or whatever you want to type in right here. All right, make money, that's good. Now, if you see below here, we have 50 words out of 500. You can actually have 500 words right here, so you can type as many words as you can, but it should not be more than 500 words. Now, when you're done with that, you click right here on save. And when it's saved, you come back here to settings, click on settings, go back to channel, and you can come right here to advanced settings. But you can just search right here on basic info if you're actually done with it before clicking on advanced settings. Now we have audience. Do you want to set this channel? Just read through all what is here, especially this when it comes to how you want to set your channel, if it's for kids or not for kids. All right. Basically, if your channel is for kids, you click right here, yes, set this channel for kids. If not, you click right here on no. You scroll below. You can actually link a Google AdSense account if you have, but for now we're not going to do this. It's going to be a video on its own. All right. And then you come below here, automatic caption. You can do that. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. Yes, this is important because YouTube can, strike your channel for inappropriate words. You come below here, clips, allow viewers to clip my content. I will click on yes because this actually gives you visibility. When they share your channel to other platforms, it also brings, clients to you. Third-party trainings you can allow. All right, so just read through and select what you see suitable for your channel, and you click below here on save. So of course, all third-party companies can actually use the videos on my channel. Now, when you click on save, go back to settings, click on it, come back right here to channels, go to future eligibility, which we don't need anything. The only thing that can be enabled here is standard future because this is a very new channel. It's a virgin channel. And when you're done with that, you click right below here on save. Okay, you can come below here to where you see upload default, click on upload default, just like so. We have here basic info, title, add a title that describes your video, and below here is also for you to add a description. Tell viewers about your video. All right, I'm just going to put the title here, wealth strategy. It's very strategic. It just gives you like a broad explanation to what this channel will be all about. And you can paste the same description you copied, you created before right here. Then below here, you paste for visibility, you check for visibility, how you want the videos to appear before you put it public. All right. So right here, if you click on visibility, you would see public, private, and unlisted, and I prefer the channel to be on private. Okay. Unlisted, no, but private, okay. Then when you have uploaded the video, you can now put it on public. And below here, you can put the tags to your channel. Like I said, there's a difference between your tags on your channel, all right, and your description. So you can put in your tags right there. You can search on a platform like ChatGPT to give you great tags, hashtags for your channel. All right, you can actually put up to 500 hashtags. Okay, so just take your time and do that. And when you are done, you can click right there on save and you are good to go. Now, go back to settings and you click on settings and you come right here to permissions. You click on it and it's going to show you name right here. I am the owner of this channel. I have no other person who is on this channel, but you can actually invite people. So just click right here on invite, you put their email, you click right here on access. You can invite a manager, an editor, subtitle editor, and a lot more. Now when you're done with that, you come below right here to save and you click on save. Now, when you're done with that, go back to settings, click on settings, and you come and click on community moderations, just like so. And you're going to see automated filters and default right here. And you could also go through them to set them up, all right? Manager, moderator, and all that. For now that you have not started making money on your channel, avoid this until your channel is monetized. You can now look for someone to manage as a moderator on your channel, especially on your live videos. It's very important when your channel is monetized to have someone to moderate the people that come on your live stream. Now, right here on community moderations, when you click on it, if you go to default, you're going to see comment on your channel. You can put on the channel and you can turn it off. And right here, moderations, leave it at basic, and messaging in your live chat, you also leave it at basic. When you're done with that, you click on save. Now, go back to the settings, click on it, come right here to agreements. It's going to show you here all use of the service is subject to the YouTube terms and service. And when you click on learn more, it's going to redirect you to where you would read your agreement right there, and you are good to go. There are other customizations that we'll do on this channel only when we've started posting videos on this channel, so stay tuned, because I'm going to show you other things you have to do or set when your videos start running, and also how you can, apply for monetization, apply for your pin. We're going to do all that on this channel. Thank you all so very much for watching this channel up to this video, and thank all of you who have subscribed, who are watching this video. Remember, we have 3 weeks to monetize this channel, and I am rooting for all of you who are watching me. Do not forget to click on subscribe. Go to the comment section and interact with all the people that are there, comment, and also go to their channels to see what they do right there. That is how you would actually engage, grow your channel, and build a bigger community. Love you all, and until next time, stay blessed.